अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे पॉल स्कॉट को ज्यूल इन द क्राउन। पॉल स्कॉट, द ऑथर ऑफ द ज्यूल ऑन द क्राउन, was a British writer born on 25 March 1920 and died on March 1, 1978. He is most famous and well known for his series called The Raj Cotford, which is about the last days of British rule in India. Paul Scott had worked in India during World War II, so he had seen colonial life closely. His novel shows how British rule deeply affected the Indian people and their lives. This novel is set in India during the 1940s times when the British Empire was losing control and India was fighting for independence. There was racial tension between the British rulers and the Indian people. India was often called the jewel in the crown of the British Empire because it was rich in resources and land, but the British treated Indians as inferior and unequal. The title, The Jewel in the Crown, also has deep meaning. It refers to how the British saw India as their most valuable colony, but the title is ironic because instead of treating the jewel with care, the British abused their power and hurt the Indian people. This novel shows that behind the beauty and the wealth of the empire were real people whose lives were ruined. The story is mainly about the young British woman named Daphne Manners as a young Indian man named Harry Kumar who raised in England. Daphne has came to India to live with her relatives. She is kind, open-hearted and doesn't believe in racism. अच्छा, इसकी स्टोरी पता क्या है? एक लड़की होती है इंग्लिश गर्ल, वो इंडिया में आती है अपनी फैमिली के पास अपना टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए। उसको कुछ छुट्टियां मिलती हैं और एक हैरी कुमार होता है जो कि इंग्लैंड में रहता है, बाहर वाले मुल्क में रहता है, अब्रॉड रहता है, और वहाँ पे ही जो है पैदा आई थिंक वो इधर इंडिया में हुआ था, फिर रेस वगैरह बाहर हुआ था। तो फिर जो वो वापस इंडिया में आता है तो जो इंग्लिश मैन है वो वैसे भी उसको रेसिज्म की निगाह से देखते हैं, लेकिन जब वो इंडिया में आता है, अपने कंट्री में आता है, तो वो लोग उसको बड़े अजीब तरीके से उसको ट्रीट करते हैं। कहते हैं ये तो इंग्लिश मैन बन गया, ये ऐसे ये वैसे। ना वो इंडिया की तरफ का रहा, ना वो इंग्लैंड की तरफ का रहा, तो वो दोनों चीज़ों में फंस के रह गया। तो जो स्टोरी इसके बारे में है, लोग उसको बहुत बुरा भला कहते हैं। हैरी कुमार और डेफनी, दे फॉल इन लव, दे जस्ट मैरिड, सो पीपल जस्ट अगेंस्ट देम। सम पीपल लाइक जब उसका बर्थ होती है, डेफनी की एक बेटी होती है, तो क्या करते हैं लोग, कहते हैं इस पर एक वो करवा देते हैं, हमला करवा देते हैं, कहते हैं कि हैरी ने करवाया है। हैरी को पकड़ लिया जाता है, पीछे से डेफनी बेचारी की डेथ हो जाती है, उसकी बेटी की आई थिंक डेथ हो जाती है। इस तरह नावल एंड हो जाता है। इस नावल का मकसद ये है कि कैसे रेसिज्म और कैसे कॉलोनियलिज्म जो है जब मिलती हैं तो बर्बाद कर देती हैं हर चीज़ को। ठीक है, आगे ही स्पीक्स, आगे देखें ना, हु नेम डेफनी मैनर्स एंड अ यंग इंडियन मैन नेम्ड हैरी कुमार हु रेज्ड इन इंग्लैंड. डेफनी हैज़ came to India to live with her relatives. She is kind, open-minded and doesn't believe in racism. Harry Kumar raised in England. He speaks perfect English and acts like an Englishman. But when he returned to India, British people treated him inferior. Even Indians also he seems too British. Daphne and Harry falls in love, but their relationship is not accepted by British society. One day, Daphne is attacked by the group of Indian men, and although British put blames on Harry and arrested by British named Ronald. वो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा टीज़ करता है, रेसिस्ट होता है और जेलस होता है हैरी से. रोनाल्ड टॉर्चर्स हैरी इन जेल विदाउट एनी प्रूफ. उसके पास कोई प्रूफ भी नहीं होता कि हैरी ने करवाया है सारा कुछ, लेकिन फिर भी उसको टॉर्चर करते हैं, उसको मारते हैं. डेफनी गिव्स बर्थ टू अ चाइल्ड हु मे बी हैरीज. आफ्टर दिस शी डाइड एंड हैरी नेवर सी हर अगेन. द स्टोरी शोज हाउ colonialism ruined lives and the relationship and justice. The main message of this novel shows that how colonialism damaged human life and relationship. Major theme के बारे में अगर बात करें तो colonialism and racism. One of the most important theme in The Jewel and the Crown is the colonialism and racism. The story is set during the time when British ruled India, and it shows how the British treated Indians as inferior. Even well-educated Indians like Harry Kumar were looked down upon just because of their skin color. The British used their power to control or to understand or respect the Indian people. This unfair treatment is seen clearly when Harry is falsely blamed and arrested. Even though there is no proof, the British officer Ronald treated him badly just because he is Indian and in love with a British girl. This novel shows that colonialism is not just about political control, but also about hurting people emotionally and socially. Paul wants to show how racist thinking destroys trust. Love is a powerful theme in A Jewel and the Crown, but the novel shows how love can be destroyed by a society hates and rules. Daphne and Harry truly loves each other. They are kind and caring, and they don't care about racism, but that British society around them doesn't accept their relationship. People judge them especially Daphne for falling in love with an Indian man. When Daphne is attacked, Harry is blamed without any proof only because of this race. This love story ends in tragedy. Harry is sent to jail and Daphne dies after giving birth to her child. This novel couldn't survive in a world full of racism, power and fear. This novel shows that real love should be stronger and society division, but in colonial India, even love was not free. Paul Scott uses their story to show how social pressure can destroy love. Identity crisis. The theme of identity crisis is shown through the character of Harry Kumar, who is caught between two worlds. He is Indian by birth but was raised in England. He educated from England and speaks English fluently, thinks like a British person and follow their habits. But when he returned to India, the British don't accept him because of his skin color, and many Indians also don't trust him because he seems too British. So he doesn't belong fully to either side. ना वो इस side का रहा ना वो उस side का. He has no clear identity. This makes him lonely and powerless. Paul wanted to show इसका कंक्लूजन देख लें. द ज्यूल इन द क्राउन शोज हाउ colonialism damaged human lives, relationship and justice. Paul Scott wants readers to see how the British used power unfairly and created divisions, fear and racism. The novel teaches us love, freedom and truth cannot survive in a society full of hate and control. Through the sad story of Daphne and Harry, this novel gives a strong message: treat all people equally, no matter their race, cultures and background. जब एक मुल्क में colonialism आ जाती है तो इस तरह सब डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. सी यू सून.